Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix email images not showing on Android. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to turn off the battery saver mode and open the internet access settings of the Mail application. For this, we enter the settings application of our phone. We find Apps. Click on Manage Apps. Among our applications, we find the Mail application. Scroll down and click on Battery Saver. We make sure that no restrictions is selected here. Then we click on Restrict Data Usage and activate both mobile data and Wi-Fi. The settings I show here can be found elsewhere on your phone. For example, battery saver mode can be found in Battery, but not in Apps. You can easily find it. This was our first solution. Now we'll move on to the second solution. Our second solution is a solution for those who have this problem on Samsung devices. Since I use a Xiaomi device, I will tell you through pictures. First, go to the Email app. Then click on the three lines at the top left. Then click on the settings icon in the top right. Here select the email account where you can't see the pictures. Finally, scroll down and activate the Show Images feature. Remember, if you don't select an account, this setting will not appear. After activating this feature, the error will be resolved. If you are not using Samsung or this solution didn't work, we will move on to the third and final solution. Our third solution is to use another email application instead of our phone's email application. If you go to the Play Store and type Mail app in the search section, you will see many options here. Gmail and Outlook are the most logical to use among them. These are more reliable applications as they are mail applications of large companies such as Google and Microsoft. But you can also use other apps. For example, here we see this application with 4.6 points and more than 5 million downloads. You can also use this app. This was our third and final solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.